the 2013 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.